In this video we're going to look at a way to add additional links to make navigation easier on your page. On this particular page of vets, we have all our vets listed and we have a link on the right hand side which takes us to view more details about them. Now using a widescreen monitor is great because you can have a lot of columns, but often you'll be looking at the vet's name on the left hand side and it'd be much more intuitive that when you find the vet you want, that you could click on the name link here and it would take you to the same page as if you clicked on view on the right hand side. So we're going to look at that and jump into the builder. So I'm in the builder on my vets page, so simply click on the page and add columns and go to actions, and I'm going to link to another page, and on this pop-up I can choose the page to link to. In this case it's the vets details. So I save that, it will add another column at the end called vets details and it will be styled as a button, but I actually want this to be the vet's name. So if I click on the column heading, I can change the header to vet's name, and instead of it being a link type by text, I can link it to one of the fields in the object, and this will now show all of the fields inside that object. So I could link it to the address or the website, but the most obvious one is the name, and that's my first column on the left hand side. So as you can see now in the live app, it's now put in the name into here, but it's still styled as a button. So because these buttons are set globally, I need to come down to the bottom and click on the toggle to do an override, and I can just simply move this back to just being legacy, and that will then just show it as text. Equally, you could do different options and have outlines, so if you wanted to show it as an outline here and change the color to a darker color, you can now see this is what it would look like in the live app preview. But for me, I'm just going to go to legacy and then going to move the column over to the left, and then I'm going to delete this plain text column because I no longer need it. Save the app, back to the live app, do a browser refresh, and now this is a clickable link, so when you hover over you get a clickable link finger, and then when you click on it, it will take you to the same page as clicking on view. So I hope you agree that makes navigation and using your application a lot more intuitive. Hope you enjoyed that and look forward to catching up with you on the next one.